After school, kids walk through the door, and suddenly, emotions. A tiny thing sets them off. Shoes dropped, backpack thrown, attitude activated. And you're thinking, where is all this coming from? Today, we'll quickly break down what happens in a child's brain during the school day. And then I'll give you a simple routine to refill their energy so after school time feels calm again. So, welcome to Childhooder, the place where parenting finally makes sense. At school, kids use a huge amount of brain power. They spend hours following rules, sitting still, listening, waiting, trying to focus. That's a lot of self-control for a developing brain. By the end of the day, their emotional brain is tired, and their thinking brain is running low on battery. We call this low brain battery mode. When they finally get home and feel safe, all the held-in emotions show up. Not to upset you, but because they trust you. Let's make this real. A child gets into the car. Mom smiles and says, "How was your day?" And instead of answering nicely, the child snaps. "Can I just not talk right now?" Mom feels rejected. She just wants connection. But the child's brain is saying, "I'm empty. I need to recharge first." Not rude, not disrespectful, just low battery. Good news, there is a routine that helps. Let's build your after-school reset. First, reconnect without questions. Kids need a moment of warmth before they have the energy to talk. A smile, a hug, a gentle, "It's good to see you." Save the questions for later. Second, refuel the brain. A snack, water, movement, even 5 minutes helps. Jumping, running, dancing to one song. The body wakes the brain. Third, a short reset routine. A simple order they can count on. Shoes in the basket. Snack. Time to relax or play. Homework when they're ready. When they know the rhythm, their brain feels safe. Fourth, end with connection. Now the battery is charged. Now the talking can happen. What made you smile today? Who did you play with? Connection lands better when the brain can handle it. This routine doesn't just calm the afternoon. It teaches your child, you can be yourself here. You can rest here. I see you. Your calm becomes their recharge station. Your home becomes their safe zone. Small resets, big connection. If this helped you feel more prepared for those after-school moments, you belong here. Subscribe and stay with us as we make parenting lighter, one routine at a time. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next one.